Hello everyone, today we're going to be learning how to find the volume of a pyramid. Now a pyramid usually has 1/3 of the volume of a prism with the same base and height. So hopefully with these examples you'll be able to learn how to find the volume by using the lesson 8.4. Okay, so for the first example we have a square pyramid because it has a square base. And for this type of base, it's not necessarily just the 8, it's the entire area of the base. So since the square has a right angle to it, it's going to be the same base for the other side as well. So the volume equals 1/3 times 8 squared times the height, which is 14. So altogether, it would be volume equals 1/3 times 64 times 14. And if you multiply all that together with the 1/3, 64, and the 14 centimeters, you would get, not equals, it would be actually approximately 267 times 0.67 centimeters cubed. Okay. So for our next example, we have a little different of a pyramid, and it is rectangular pyramid. So for this one, it'd be volume equals 1/3 times the base times the height. But for this one, for the area of the base, it's a rectangle, so you have to multiply both sides, which is 6 times 3 centimeters. So it would be volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base, which is 3 times 6, times the height, which is 8. So that would be volume equals 3 times 6 is 18, and then you would multiply the height, and altogether you would get 48 centimeters cubed. Okay, so for our next example, this is quite a different one again, and this one is a triangular based pyramid. So it'd be volume equals 1/3 times the base times the height. But for this one, we have to remember to find the area since the base is a triangle, to find the area of a triangle, you have to multiply the base times the other side of the base, and then you have to multiply it by a half. So now the equation would be volume equals 1/3 times 3 times 2 times a half times the height, which is 4. So that's a lot of numbers, but volume equals 1/3 times 3 by multiplying 3 times 2 times half, and then 4, which is the height. So altogether, we would get the answer as 4 inches cubed. Okay. So for our next example, it is another square pyramid. And for this one, it is also has a right angle, so you just have to square the base. So volume equals 1/3 times the base, which is 4.5 squared, times the height, which is 5. So the volume equals 1/3 times 4.5 times 4.5, which is 101.25 times 5. And that would equal